Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your M&T bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, go to your default browser and search M&T bank login. Once you make search, you'll find welcome to online banking under M&T bank. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your user ID and your passcode. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.